Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can book cab in UK. So if you are in UK, you simply need to download the Uber app. So once you download, you simply need to open the Uber app. So once Uber is open, so click on enter pickup, and let's suppose if I'm in London, so I'm going to write London. So okay, and where to? So then you need to select the location where you want to go. So I want to go on to this location. So here you can see that, and once here you can see your route, that is about 2 minutes. So I randomly select this route to show you. So once you select that, then you have an option to select your uh, car that you want to pick up. So here you can see UberX, Uber XL, Uber Comfort. So you can choose this one, Uber Lux, Uber Green. In the economy you can see this one, that is Uber Access. So here you can see you can find different options. Let's suppose I want Uber XL. You simply need to select that, then you need to click on choose Uber XL and select your pickup location, and then you need to click on confirm pickup. Once you click on that, then you have a rider available for you to pick up, and then this rider will easily help you to reach your destination. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.